channel. I thought we could do a fun little series this summer on some inspirational stuff if you're having parties in your backyard, or maybe you're just kind of hanging out with your family in your backyard and you want to make it really fun. I know we're all spending a lot of time at home, so I'm putting together a couple of videos. This one I'm going to share with you guys some appetizer recipes. We're doing one on drinks, which I also have done a little series on IGTV of all my favorite drink recipes. And then I think I'm going to do a dessert one too, in like outside decor and how to set up for a little party. So that's all coming, but today, yeah. So I'm gonna walk you through all the recipes that we have here. We have some Greek salad skewers, some prosciutto and melon skewers, some healthy spinach artichoke dip, and some homemade hummus. So I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I made all these. I will have the exact recipes and where I found them down below in the description box, as well as on my website if you want like the exact specifications to everything. But I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, the first recipe we have is a spinach and artichoke dip, but you actually put on little rounds of zucchini, so it's kind of like a low carb recipe. I'm really excited about this one. So first up, we just have all the zucchini laid out here, and you can kind of use these as like your cracker or your chip. And then for the actual recipe, we have the artichoke, about a half a can here. We have some mozzarella cheese, spinach of course. This is like a half can or a half container of cream cheese that we've softened with some sour cream, lots of garlic, salt, pepper, and then I have some chili flakes as well. But what we're gonna do is basically just mix everything together. After you get everything mixed, you just want to go ahead and add a little dollop onto each bite of zucchini, and then I'm just going to throw these in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes, and then we will do a little taste test. It's been 15 minutes. These smell so good. So on a couple of them I kind of did a lot because I didn't know, but you probably want to do a little smaller scoops. They can kind of get toasty. But so I've let them cool for a couple minutes, but I'm really excited to try these. So I have these cute little plates from Target. They're great little appetizer plates. I'm gonna go ahead and put a few on each, and then we're gonna try these. They are really good. This just reminds me of like getting spinach artichoke dip when I was a kid at restaurants. It's so good. You guys will love these. Definitely make sure to try them out and let me know if you like them. So while we're waiting for the spinach artichoke in the oven, I thought I'd put together these skewers. I always think these are kind of something fun for summer because it's just easy, it's kind of grab and go, and you can really customize it. So these are actually Greek salad skewers. I've been on a really huge Greek salad kick lately. So I have some feta here, all chopped up, and I'm gonna add a bunch of really good ingredients to it to make it like just really flavorful. And then for the rest of the skewers, we have some olives that are pitted, we have some little cherry tomatoes, cucumber. So those are all good like that. What I'm gonna do is add to the feta. So I have about a tablespoon of dill, same for parsley. I love lots of garlic. So I chopped up one big clove of garlic. And then we're gonna do some fresh lemon. Next up, I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Everything in here smells so good. We'll do some salt. This is pink salt. Some pepper. These are from IKEA, you guys always ask. I'm just gonna kind of let this marinate in probably for like 20 minutes, and then it will be good. And then we'll make the skewers. Now we're gonna assemble the skewers. I have the feta that's been marinating in here. It smells amazing. So this would actually be a really good one to do if you have kids that wanna help in the kitchen. They can kind of assemble these skewers. They're a little pokey, but it just depends what age your kids are. So what you do is just take the tomato, cucumber, and the olive. And I'm actually just gonna repeat it so it's 2 sections. So here's what the final product looks like. You guys can make as many or as little as you want, but a great little appetizer. You could also do just like the one set if you want them to be a little smaller and more bite-sized, but so pretty and they taste great. So next up we have another skewer. I just think they're really easy. We have some prosciutto and melon. This is one of my favorite combos. I've shared this with you guys before on the vlog. We eat this all the time. So what we're gonna do is the prosciutto, the melon, you can do orange or green, whatever, some mozzarella, and then we'll drizzle some balsamic glaze and some fresh basil on top. So another easy one. Once you get everything chopped up, you just layer it onto the skewer. Drizzle. Mine's a little bit more balsamic-y than glazy. Just drizzle a little bit of that on top. Put some basil. And that's it. All done. For our last recipe today, we're gonna do some homemade hummus. I recently got a food processor and I've been trying out a bunch of different recipes because I love this thing. So I will link it, I got it on Amazon, but I just went ahead and put a can of chickpeas in there, and I've got some olive oil, some tahini, we've got some feta, fresh lemon, of course, tons of garlic. I love garlic, some fresh dill, and then I thought we could top it with all like the Greek salad stuff again. So let's go ahead and try this out. First thing I'm gonna do is some olive oil. Okay, a couple tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna do a little feta. I'm gonna add in 1/3 cup of tahini, and then what we'll do is we'll blend all this up and try it, and if we have to add anything else, we can do that. Throw in the dill, and the garlic. And then I'm gonna start with just 1 lemon. I'll squeeze the whole thing in there. But I do like things really lemony. Just a little bit of water. And then lastly, we'll do some salt and some pepper. And let's blend this up. So I went ahead and added more oil, another lemon, and then just more water until it was the consistency that I wanted. The texture. With the dill in there, it gives it some nice color. The garlic makes it taste really good. So you can eat the hummus just like this. I have some pita bread, and I also have some pita chips. But we saw this recipe to add a little bit on top, so we thought that'd be fun. So I'm gonna do a little bit more feta, chopped up some tomatoes, cucumber, of course olives. Those are my absolute favorite. Won't do too many because Michael doesn't like olives. And then I'm just gonna do a drizzle of olive oil on top. Okay, and then last step, we're just gonna sprinkle some pepper, some salt, and there you have your fresh hummus. It looks really pretty. Like I said, I didn't do like homemade pita or anything where you cut, but this looks really pretty. We have a full setup now. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely make sure to try out some of these recipes. Like I said, I will have the exact link to where I found them, and I will also have my website where I'll break everything down so you guys know how I made them. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.